Guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you there's a secret adopted a morph thing that you might or might not know about. So all you gotta do on Elephant Hotel, that's what it's on. All you gotta do is go to sixth floor, and all you wanna do is go up here. All you want to go is go up here. Now you want to go out here. Wait, yeah, you go out here. Whoops. Okay. You're actually supposed to go to the 5th floor, I think. 5th floor. And all you have to do is go over here. Climb up these mountains. Actually, yeah, climb up these mountains. Okay, so it should, okay, you click on the teddy bear, and the room should open right there. Okay, I gotta click on the teddy bear. There it is, see? This is a secret room. Change your body morph. Change your body morph. Click it. Oh god, no, I do not want to be looking like this. Change it. Okay. No! Get this body. But that was the secret way how to change your morph. If you didn't like your morph, always go and change it. Oh yeah, there's a pirate morph, but I don't really want that. And right now I will kill myself. Goodbye.